But let's give it a shot. Let's go in. Oh. Going in. Let's see. Oh, that's cold. Oh, the nads. I gotta watch the nads. That's gonna be cold. I go in. Ay, ay, ay. Ooh, the balls. Shrinkage. I'm in a pool. That George Costanza moment. I was in the pool. Ooh, refreshing. Refreshing. Right? Should come in. Join the sun and the fun of today.
That's mine.
Where's mine?
Where'd you put it?
Oh, I thought you brought it.
I thought you brought it over.
I thought you brought it over. That's why I saw the mug. I was like, oh, she got my mug. Oops. Lotion up, kids. I'd go for my morning pool walk. Check it out. Oh, it's water. It's all we drink in the morning is water. All right, see ya.
Where you go?
I'm going for my pool walk. Wanna go for a pool walk?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna go for our pool walk. And so, watch your boobs.
Woo!
Refreshing.
Oh gosh. Woo!
It's refreshing. All right. Well, I'm gonna show you from our room. Let's see. We had that room up there once. That one. That's Scott's old room with the balcony up there. That little one.
What did Mike have to say?
They're leaving at 7, so they're thinking about.
Same
They
as
should
us.
be coming, flying. They're flying out of Boston.
Same as us.
Right. So they should get here by
So they'll be
1.
here around the time.
But I told them to get to the left line and watch out for the machines if you have your passport, and then you get right in and out of the customs, like we did.
Yeah.
So go to the left side, watch for the machines, get in the machine side. These are all 1-bedroom suites, except for that one in the corner. 1-bedroom suites. You could always tell because they have the jacuzzis and the double chairs. Our room doesn't have chairs. That's a little...
Lounge chair.
Yeah, but there's no room for them. No?
No, there isn't. The only place would be outside of the bedroom, and even that, it's narrow.
Yeah, it is now. I'm not complaining though. I like it. Jen already had a mimosa behind my back this morning.
You were sleeping. She said, "Baby sleeping."
Who
Angelina.
Did she?
Oh, baby sleep.
Oh, come on.
Sleepy, sleepy. She said. I said, I know. This is morning nap. After breakfast nap.
It helps me revive.
I have no problem with it.
I wouldn't mind having this room. This room I could have. No? You don't think you could?
Yeah. The stairs are right there.
Yeah. All right, you have to share it with these people though. But that's not bad. See how they cut the bush?
Yeah, so they can walk by. So, buffet tonight. Maybe tomorrow we can stay.
I don't know. The hardest decision when you come here
I
is
know.
picking what you
to
want to
eat.
eat. We don't know what we're eating. Jen said buffet because tonight's gala night, and that's when they have a nice...
I don't think we've ever done gala night.
Yes, we did. I have it on video. Well, check it out. It's called gala night. Oh, maybe I just walked it.
Yeah, I don't think we did.
But the spread was nice, remember?
Yeah.
We have to watch that video. We never had gala night.
So we're going.
Have I?
Okay. Yeah.
Look at all the pool floaties in the corner over there. Wait, which room did we have? We had... we had this one, right?
Yeah.
We had this one on top, 3rd floor. And we had that 3rd floor one, right? Jen?
What?
These 2 corner ones we had on the top. Yeah, let's see, that was our room once. That was our room once. And where was the junior one we had last time we were here in May? A little further down, no? We can't even count the times we've been here. We had these rooms a couple of times.
I think it was that one.
How many times did we have a junior suite? Only once.
Once.
Yeah. I'm
Actually,
sorry, I'm
twice.
did we?
2257 was the junior.
Yeah. All right, twice we had junior suite.
I think it was
4 times 5, 6.
Fine.
Huh?
I think it was that one.
Yeah, I think you're right. That one right there.
Is that
The corner.
Now she's doing that.
Yeah. Yeah, she's cleaning our room now. Awesome. She get the dinero? Huh? She's cleaning our room. That's our room. That's a good sign, right?
Yeah.
I like our room. Like I said, I wish it had a chair, but there's nothing you could do with the other side. But you get two slidey doors on this one. Wait, other ones get one, right? Or they have two?
They have two.
Yeah.
They all have one outside the bedroom.
I know you didn't want the corner, but I
don't care.
No, you
That's
just
all
didn't
right.
want all the way that corner.
Yeah.
She didn't want that corner all the way there. This is nice and quiet over here, and it's private, so you can still always get the craziness. Well, yeah, that's our room up there. We had to wait a little bit yesterday because they were fixing something, but we're like, we don't care. And by the time we waited, we were already 2 sheets in the wind.
Why not 3?
Oh, 5 sheets, a linen spread.
Oh, God.
We were out. That was it. I mean, what are we on? Like a few hours of sleep? You were a zombie. You were a zombie yesterday. Yeah, we were only like in a few hours of sleep too, so it's hard, especially when you're tired. And I think I took like 3 naps, like 10 minutes here, 20 minutes there.
Yeah, you like that one.
Huh?
That one.
Which one? The top one?
I wouldn't want that one.
The one on the very top.
Either one. This whole side.
Those are juniors, but that top one up. Oh, they're all juniors here, right? Oh, yeah, they're all juniors. I don't know, Jen doesn't like the very corner. I don't know why. I think it's private.
We're gonna have to try and figure.
Why don't you like the corner, Jen?
I don't know. I don't know. I just don't.
I think it's private.
Privacy-wise, yeah, but I don't know. I just feel like I don't know. You're in the corner.
Yeah, but people like quiet. Some people like, you know, privacy,
Yeah.
and you get it here.
Yeah, I
See, they got the good hair, the little white ones.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I guess because you're facing the family side on that side, but we see the family side. But the music shuts off at 5 anyway.
6.
Was it 6 yesterday?
Yeah, because this is what time the pool closes.
Yeah, that's right. The pool closes at 6. So I like the fact to have quiet time. Where's all the pool floaties? These is where usually the corner of the pool floaties come to die.
Not here. I don't know why.
What about this corner 1-bedroom suite swim up? Huh?
Well,
Yeah, because you got your stairs there. It is our room up here. We're just down here.
yeah, that's true.
And you-
But then again, there's like there's no view.
What view do you need? You stand up on your feet and you see the ocean. Jen needs a view. I don't know why. She likes the balcony view. All right. It's nice. You know what? Maybe that's how they start cleaning the rooms from left to right. All right, guys. Look at that pool walk. We like to do this in the morning. We like to see if anything's changed. What I do notice, though, they changed the curtains on the bally beds and the tops. That's new. Newer. I don't know when, but you can tell they changed it. Ooh, I can feel the sun on my back. Hey. See, that's not a bad junior, too.
Right.
That's a nice one. Because you got the stairs right here. Remember back in the day, there was no stairs? I'm like, how do you call that a swim up suite if there's no stairs?
Yeah.
Oh, there's all the pool floats. Look, they put them all in the corner. Well, let's go. People schnapsing it up already, huh? Early in the morning. 10 o'clock, I think, you know what happened? I think I fell asleep and then the music went on. And then I realized, oh, it's 10 o'clock. That's when the bar music comes on. Where she plays it at the bar.
Oh,
So,
right.
yeah, 10 o'clock. We never had that room.
Huh?
We only had ocean view. You said you want to do the Mirage? You like the Mirage? She got shots of Mama Juana. She's probably going over there.
Okay. Oh, I'm going to put that wall because I'm strictly a Bruins fan.
Well, that's why the bandana probably won.
They crushed my heart so many times. Oh, the Bruins have been killing the league. So everybody at home, you know, and the
Yeah.
Bruins.
Oh, Saturday. See, my brother.
What are we doing?
He has a little belt on.
Oh my God, what are we doing?
Yeah.
What are we doing?
Take
her slow.
Yeah.
Take her.
She's crazy.
Oh! I don't want to jump. There you go.
Can you hold this for me?
No way. No way.
Yes, Mama.
No way.
Yes.
No way.
Crazy.
All right, boys.
That's funny.
Hey. My friend from Canada.
That's fun. Yeah, fun. That's hysterical.
That's great.
Good. That's gonna be a fun one. Yeah, I'm not an ass. We don't want to see. Look. Behind you. Oh, that's gonna be. That's gonna be a good picture. I'll take a picture of that.
Baby. Gracias.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
I don't know, baby. Mama Juana, arriba, abajo,
Ay, ay, ay.
al centro y un movimiento sexy.
Whoa. Wow. Sexy.
Is it feeling, baby? Pineapple.
No, thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Bueno.
Bueno.